everyone, my name is Tara and this is my first unboxing of the year, and what I'm gonna unbox is in this massive Coach packet. So I got few items from Coach, so they have given me this big shopping packet. Hello everyone, happy new year. So I have not thought that this gonna be my first unboxing of 2025. I was thinking of something else gonna be my first unboxing. I already pre-ordered 2 bags from Takashi Murakami, which I have not received yet from Louis Vuitton. So I thought that gonna be my first unboxing of 2025, but it's okay either ways. So let's wait for the Takashi Murakami pre-orders to arrive, and I'll talk about that in a separate video, like how was the process in India and how I booked my bag, and I'll definitely do an unboxing when I'll receive those pieces, and I'll give you all the detailed information about that, like how many days it took for me to pre-order and how I did my pre-orders and everything, and that gonna be in a separate video. But today's video is about my Coach purchases. So the Coach purchase is gonna be my first unboxing of the year. So as you can see, my items are in this packet inside the bag. So fine, let me tell you all. One bag is like planned bag. I wanted this bag from Coach. So this is a planned bag, and rest 2 items are not a planned bag. Okay, so I got 3 items from Coach yesterday. Let me keep this huge, humongous packet down. And yeah, so I got 3 items from Coach. So let me unbox it one by one. So this is the bag which I was keen on, and I went to buy, and these 2 are like my unexpected purchases. So first let me show you this perfume which I got from Coach. I smelled it and I like it so much. So this is Coach Ude Parfum. So this is the name of the perfume, and I'll review this after a few days of wearing it, because even I review perfumes also. As you can see, my last perfume review about Valentino perfume, go and check in my shorts. So this I'll review after wearing, but when I tried it on my skin, I loved it so much. So that's how I got this perfume, and after wearing for a few days, I'll post a review on this. So let me go and unbox the first item from Coach. How beautifully they have packed my bag. So ta-da! As you all can see, my Christmas tree is still on, so I'll remove my Christmas tree by the end of this month. So still few days to go though. So end of the January, I'll remove my Christmas tree. So this bag really caught my attention, and oh my god, how beautiful is this bag. I think the name of this bag is WYN Wine crossbody bag, small shoulder crossbody bag. So here she is. Oh my god, look at the finishing, you guys. I immediately fell in love with this bag, and it was also on 20% discount. So, and it was a very good deal. If it would not have been on discount also, I would have bought it. This is such a beauty. So it has a bag charm. So this bag charm is there in all the Coach bags. So oh my god, look at the finishing, and this C logo here. This C logo here is the matte finish. So this is WYN small shoulder crossbody bag. So it comes with one pouch which is there inside. So this you can use separately also as your card holder. So, and it comes with one detachable and adjustable strap, and inside, yeah, So inside there is one separate compartment, and voila, this is the first bag. It has a very nice envelope kind of look, and this gonna be my go-to bag because I carry very less. I only carry my card, sanitizer, and keys, and lipstick which I'm wearing, and maybe sometime the blush on or a small perfume. So all this gonna fit in this bag. Look at this bag, you guys. So gorgeous, so gorgeous. The hardware is matte gold finish, and why I have not seen this bag before in Coach, I don't know. So it comes in various different color, but this color caught my eye. And yeah, so what fits in I'll do in a separate video. So this is about unboxing. So I have unboxed one bag. So let's address the bag for which I went to Coach. So as you all know, cherries are like flavor of the season for bag these days. So this is one of the cherries collection, and this is on full price, and in India we have very few pieces of cherry collection. They were having hardly 4 bags, and that's it. They receive only those 4 bags from the cherry collection. No big wallets, no keychains, no scarves. So luckily I found the one which I really wanted to buy from the cherry collection, which I have been watching on YouTube these days. You know, if something is trend, you can always go and find it on YouTube. So I knew which bag I wanted, and exactly they have that bag and 3 more bags in the flagship store in India. In India we don't have the outlet store. Here we only have flagship store, and we pay almost 40% higher price than US. So this bag is almost 40% higher in India than what you pay in US and in Australia. In Australia also, Coach is cheaper than in India. Anyways, let's go and do the unboxing. So I paid huge amount for this if you compare it for the US website. So, and there was no discount, anything on this. So I personally feel that I paid little too high for this bag, but no option, we have to do it because this is not US, and in India you have to pay almost 40% up the price what we pay in US. Anyways, let's go and unbox. So ta-da! So this bags come in this beautiful this is their dust bag, and the bag which I bought is inside this dust bag. So are you guys excited like me? So I have not seen this bag. I saw it on the store, and then I bought. So this is the direct unboxing which I'm doing right now with you all. Ta-da! So here is she. You guys, I got myself the Coach Tabby 20 bag in cherries. So let's go and do the official unboxing, you guys. Oh my god, look at this beauty. So here's the bag, and it comes with one detachable strap. Let me show you all. So they have stuffed it all over. Let me. So yeah, I'll be needing a scissor to cut it. So there you have price tag and everything. So here the strap, and the best part is the color of the strap. Because of the color of the strap, although it has cherry print all over, this bag looks good with almost all the outfit, I guess. So yeah, I have already seen leaks picture of Takashi Murakami cherry collection which gonna launch in May. I personally didn't like anything from cherries, although I booked 2 from the multicolor, and uh, I'll book something from Cherry Blossom also. But the cherries, I think Coach has done an excellent job. So for cherries, I thought I'll go something from Coach. So this is the bag, you guys. So let me get a scissor and just cut the strap and put it and show it to you all. Then I'll show the inside of the bag as well. I'm back with the scissor. So let's cut all the tags. There you go. And so let me remove it and show you all. So inside you have 1, 2, 3, 3 compartments and a tag. So inside you can see. So phone fits really well. I have iPhone 15 Pro. That fits really well, and a bigger size phone also fit well in this bag. So next time I'll show you all the what fits in the bag. So this was all about unboxing. So you guys can see. So the opening and closure is like magnetic, and there is this Coach tag. And in this cherries, if you can see, there are glitters. And I asked my SA if these glitters gonna come out with time, and she told me nothing gonna come out, it will be same. So the bag is really very small in size in person, but it fits your essential lipstick, card holder, and there's one back pocket also. So yeah, so there are 2 straps, okay, you guys. One is the small shoulder strap, which you have to put here. So much tasking to do here. Yeah, so here you have to put this. You know, I asked her to, I only personally asked her to give me the bag as it is, and she was telling me, let me remove it. Now I understand. So this is a task to remove all this paper. So next time, just take it as a lesson from me, that if your essay will ask you to remove the papers and give it to you, just go for it. Otherwise it is a task. So yeah, you put the other one at this end. Okay, so this is one strap with shoulder, and it looks very pretty on your shoulder. And I'm a more of crossbody bag kind of girl. I love my bag to be carried crossbody. So there is this bigger strap. Yeah, so how gorgeous is the color? Very, very beautiful ruby red kind of red. Yeah. By the way, ruby red is my own discovery color now. Is the name of the lipstick from MAC. But yeah, the color is like similar kind of dark cherry red. Very beautiful, beautiful red. So here, so this is the length of the strap. This is adjustable and it has many holes. If you are very tall also, the strap will fit, adjust completely. And the buckle also, they have given a very nice hardware. The hardware is very nice matte gold. And yeah, so let me cut the tag also. I didn't know that it's gonna be so much of hassle inside during my unboxing. So here is the bag, you guys. So it comes with two straps, one small shoulder strap and one big detachable strap. And cherries are like a thing nowadays. So I personally have seen Takashi Murakami's those cherry leaks pictures That's how I wanted to go for the Coach Cherry in Tabby only. I have seen other pictures also, but luckily the cherry bag which I wanted was in the flagship store in India. So yeah, and that's it, you guys. So I got these 3 items from Coach, and I'll post what fits in video later, and I'll do the perfume review as well, and also unboxing will be coming up for my Takashi Murakami collection as well. So stay tuned, everyone, and if you have any question, feel free to ask. And thank you so much for watching. And if you are a luxury bag lover, and if you love luxury jewelry, do subscribe to my channel, because I bring such videos every week. Thank you so much for watching. You have a good one, everyone. Bye.